Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Gabby and in today's video we're going to be making free Christmassy designs using Silkscreen stencils. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first design is going to be white snowflakes on baby blue polymer clay. So we firstly going to condition the polymer clay. So we're going to put the Snowflake Silkscreen stencil on the polymer clay, and we're going to use white acrylic paint and brush it on. And we're going to remove the excess of the paint and let it dry just a little bit before taking off the silkscreen stencil. So we're going to peel off the silkscreen stencil quite slowly to make sure that all the snowflakes are transferred quite evenly, and then we're going to use this cutter to cut out these cute shapes. So for the second design, we're going to be using this nice red shade with glitter in it, and we're going to condition it first. So you can actually see the speckles of glitter on this, and then we're going to put the silkscreen stencil on it, and this one has hearts, candy canes, little cups. It's pretty much everything Christmas related. That's why we called it Christmas Essential Dangles. And we're just going to use white acrylic paint and do the same as with the previous one. And now we're going to peel it off very slowly. And look at this, it's pretty much perfect transfer, and I absolutely love it. It's so adorable. And we're going to cut out the shapes the same as for the blue one. And honestly, this is so adorable, especially with like little flecks of glitter. It is so cute. So our last but not least design is going to have this nice dark green polymer clay color with glitter again, and we're going to be using Christmas tree silkscreen stencil with white acrylic paint. And we're going to peel it off, and once again this one's a perfect transfer, and we're going to be cutting out the same polymer clay shapes as for the previous two. You can actually definitely see the paint much clearer on the two darker shades compared to the baby blue one. Although saying that, you can clearly see the snowflakes on these two. And we're going to be applying UV resin to seal in the designs into all three of them. And I'm just using tweezers and this dotting tool to distribute the resin evenly on the surface. And I'm going to do that with increased speed because it usually takes me absolute ages. And then we're going to use a lighter to remove any bubbles from the surface of the resin. I actually like to go over the edges one more time before curing it under the UV lamp, and I like to cure it for around 7 minutes on each piece. And we're going to repeat that for the red ones and the green ones. You can actually see the glitter much clearer once you put the UV resin on, and I absolutely love that. It adds just a little bit of something to each piece, and I absolutely love the effect polymer clay. Although if you couldn't tell, I absolutely adore glitter, so no wonder that this is definitely one of my favorites. And this dark green is absolutely gorgeous after it baked, and the UV resin just elevates that glitter effect, and it is so adorable. Actually, I've been wearing this pair out and about, and I got fairly few compliments on these. I absolutely love these. Out of the 3 designs, this one is definitely the closest to my personal style. So now we're going to drill the holes in each piece, and that's the process that takes me around 20 years. So here's the music break for you. So it's time to assemble these pieces, and I've decided to pair these with these cute little bows, and they are adorable, so it just adds to the little Christmas cuteness. And it's a showcase time now, and I'm going to show you what these look like on the earring card and on me, and a little close-up of me. And if you like these are still available on our website at foxandbunnyrise.com. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. I will see you on our next video. Bye bye.